Hey guys, Alex here, and this is my channel, Core Manufacturing. Core Manufacturing is a small home-based business located in Fort Collins, Colorado. We have milling, turning, sawing, and welding capabilities. A little bit about myself. I spent 4 years in the Air Force where I worked on intercontinental ballistic missiles. After I got out, I went to work for a drag race shop where I was the head engine builder. While I was there, I got interested in machining, so I decided to actually go to school for it. At school, I received 2 machining certificates, and then I entered the workforce. I've primarily worked in job shops and have not specialized in anything. In the job shop, we do tons of different types of work. So I've had the chance to work on oil and gas, aerospace, performance automotive, robotics, cryogenics, you name it. Just about anything that is made out of metal or plastic, I have worked on it. These days, I run this shop, and I'm a student at CSU pursuing a mechanical engineering degree. I also work at the high energy physics lab at CSU, where I design parts for them and machine parts in their machine shop. So a little bit about this channel. What we're going to be doing with this channel is we're going to be talking about different machining topics. Weird setups, tips and tricks. We'll get into programming, CNC. We'll probably get into some basic part design using CAD/CAM software. I may even get a little bit into some of my schoolwork and probably talk a little bit about some basic machine shop math. Also, if any of you guys have any ideas or if there's something that you're struggling with in the machine shop, you could go ahead and leave a comment or maybe send me an email and I can work on it and potentially do an episode about it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. And if you happen to have a manufacturing need, you can go ahead and go to my website, core-manufacturing.com, and send me an email and we'll see what we can do for you.
You want fries with that?